Hello, my name is Matthew and I'm part of the retail team here at Beamish. So I have a really exciting job that I get to create with my colleagues all the exciting things that you see for sale in our shops down here in the town and up at the main entrance. And what we do when we try to come up with new products is we look at the historical stories and all the research that went into the exhibit to then inspire these new products. And you probably guessed from what I'm holding, my favourite one that we've done recently is Mr. Kerrison's cold creams. So Mr. Kerrison was a chemist, Alfred Kerrison of Southwick in Sunderland, and we came across his recipe book in our collection, and in there our researchers managed to decipher a recipe for cold cream, which is basically an all-in-one sort of makeup remover, cleanser, moisturiser. We went and met up with a local supplier who in small quality controlled batches could produce the cream, and we used the recipe for inspiration, removing the dangerous things like borax. We do loads of different flavours of it, all based on his original recipe, and it's even won an award this year as it won Best Product in the Cultural Enterprise Awards. So definitely for museum passion, this is my favourite thing.